Guys, let me stop you right now, all right? Before we get this video started, we ain't talking about no customers right now, okay? Because this is a big one. This is a biggie. This is what all you guys are missing right now, okay? Very, very, very important. As you see what's going on right here, this is in the website section. So we'll go ahead, we'll check off website right here. Not doing no customers today. This is a part of the customers. Very important part of the customers right now. Doing website. Don't talk about it. Be about it. These people don't want to hear you talking about, oh, my joint is nice. It does this, it does that. You can watch this for this long. You got this many channels. Or you got this from the USA. You got this from Canada. Or it does this. Or it'll chase your dog around the house. Whatever the case may be, they don't care. They want to see how it works for themselves, all right? And you know what that's called? Proof, motherfucker. It's called proof. Gotta have proof, bro. Without proof, they not trying to hear nothing you saying, right? You got to show them. This is why video is so important. If you're not making the correct videos on your website, which is a whole nother section, right? If you're not making those correct videos on your website, that's going to tell people this is what it is. This is how it works. This is how you can make it work for you. This is how you can get it. Click the link down below and grab it for yourself. That's called value and that's called proof. And that will make people want to get what you have to offer, right? But you can't just sit here and talk about it. Some of you guys don't even talk about it. Y'all just buy mine now, buy it now, buy my shit now. Bro, that shit don't work. You need to show these people, right? Just don't sit there and talk. Show these people, show them how it works. For instance, look at this video right here I have on the screen. Do you see this? This is the product, right, that I have on this website right here. Selling this for dogs, right? And this is the proof. This is the video proof that I'm showing these people. Look at this. Look at how it works. Look in 3 seconds of me showing you how this product is going to help you right now. It didn't take 10 seconds. You don't hear no talking, right? Except my voice right now, right? So you just see what's happening right now. This dog is loving this water bottle and the owner have all of these different things that they can do with this product. That's why it sells. It sells itself. So stop going inside all of these groups and all this la 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 la, right? And start and talking about it. Talking about people don't care. They don't care. They want to know what it can do for them. And it doesn't matter what the product is. How can it fix me, my life, my situation right now, okay? So proof is very, very, very important. And I know right now, all you guys, either you do have a website, you don't have a website. If you do have a website, I bet you ain't got no proof. The proof is supposed to be the first thing on the web page. If you look at this web page right now that I built for you guys, mind you, look at both of these web pages, the one I just showed you, and look at this IPTV web page right here. What do you see? As soon as the web page load up, what do you see? You see a video, bro. You see a video. That's called proof. People need to see exactly what's going on, bro, in order for them to make a decision. So if you guys do not have a website set up like this, go ahead, let me know down in the description. Maybe I have to hook you up if I got a little time, set your website up for you. Those who are looking for IPTV subscriptions, I already have the website already made for you. Those who's in affiliate marketing, I already build websites like this. That's already made for you as well. Just let me know what kind of niche you in and I can get that for you, right? But as you can see right here, all of the websites that I make, it's very, very important that it has all of these different kind of elements that I'm teaching you guys. But most importantly, it has to have proof. It has to have proof, guys. All right, so I just wanted to get this video out there for you guys. This right here is major value as to what kind of proof to put inside your videos. All you need to do is show how it works, how easily it works, how fast it works, right? That's all you need to do. Sometimes there's actually videos already out there for the product that you're trying to sell. All you need to do is remake the video and make it for your own, right? Use your own camera like I'm doing right here and actually record the item or the product that you're trying to sell and put it out there so people can actually see how it works from your point of view, the way you want to show them, right? And that builds credibility, especially if your face is inside of the video, right? Nobody can actually take that video because it belongs to you. So I just want to put this video out there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful for you guys. Click the link down below if you guys want your website already built for you and made in less than 4 hours. And I will catch you guys in the next video with more value. So peace out. See you guys later. See you.